Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In the last video, we have created one table in our database using FastAPI. And now it is good time to dive into the CRUD operation. So that we can just learn how to create table, how to insert the data in the table, how to select all data, how to select data using ID and other things. So for that, we will create different kind of endpoints. But before that, we have to create one dependency to get the database session. And for that, we have to just write few lines of codes and that we are going to write after this app. Okay. So we will just define one function get underscore db. Okay. And here db equal to session local. Okay. So as I have said before that this session local will be used to get the session. And after that, try yield db of finally db close. Okay. So this is enough for this video. If you have any doubt in this dependency injection topic, then I have already created a detailed video that you can watch. And still, if you face any issue, then you can just write your query in the comment section and I will try to solve your question. Okay. So thanks for watching. In the next video, we will start CRUD operation. So please keep watching and keep learning. Bye.